This video introduces the Neodao Toolkit. The Neodao Toolkit consists of a smart contract and a client-side JavaScript library. The smart contract provides the typical blockchain operations a DAO needs, freeing the developer from learning blockchain programming. The JavaScript library manages all interactions with the user's wallet so you don't have to learn wallet programming. Supports the Greenfinch API, adding NeoFS asset hosting to your DAO with almost no effort required on the part of the developer. Turns any developer with typical website development skills into a Neo N3 DAO developer. To begin the demonstration, first, we create our DAO by clicking the Create DAO link. We need to give our DAO a name. Let's call it Virtual World Builders. This DAO will be for funding Neo N3 projects that involve the creation of virtual worlds. The rest of the fields allow us to control the general behavior of our DAO, especially in regards to the handling of payments and time. I'll highlight a few of them. For example, the grace period duration controls how many days must pass after voting has completed before a proposal is acted upon. The proposal deposit determines how many tokens of the sponsor of a proposal must put into escrow when sponsoring a proposal. The processing reward sets the amount of tokens that will be awarded to someone who reviews a proposal successfully. And so on. We will accept the default settings and create our DAO now by clicking on the Create the DAO button. This triggers the activation of the Neoline wallet. Neoline asks us which one of our accounts do we want to use now to pay for the creation of the DAO. We click Done to accept the only account that we have. Neoline shows us how much of the transaction is going to cost us. This all looks good, so we click Yes to confirm the transaction. That's it. In a few seconds, our brand new DAO will be live in the Neodao smart contract and ready for use. We go back to the DAOs list. We now see our DAO, Virtual World Builders, in the list. Let's look at the DAO details by clicking on the DAO name in the list. Here we see the title for our DAO and some of the important fields that a prospective DAO member or proposal author will be interested in. As per the settings that we chose on the Create DAO page, our DAO does not have a membership fee. Sponsors will have to put up 10 tokens to sponsor a proposal, and proposal reviewers will get 3 tokens for every proposal that they successfully review. We want to get our virtual world funded, so let's create a proposal for that by clicking the Create Proposal button now. This is the Submit Proposal screen. First, we give our proposal a short description. We enter Funding Request for Neo 3D Live. Neo 3D Live is the virtual world we want to have funded by the DAO. We don't need to enter an applicant address because this is not a proposal for membership. We want 100 Neo tokens for building the DAO. Neo tokens have voting power in the DAO. We want 5,000 gas tokens to fund our time for building Neo 3D Live. Gas tokens do not have voting power in the DAO. We want an additional 1,000 gas tokens for making payments to people who are not members of the DAO. And we are not offering a tribute with our proposal, so we leave that field at 0. We have a white paper and a pitch deck we want to submit with our proposal. Neodao uses NeoFS for hosting asset proposals. To upload our assets to NeoFS, we use Greenfinch, the app that makes storing and managing your files on NeoFS as easy as using your PC's local file explorer. This is Greenfinch, the app that makes managing your files on NeoFS effortless. I created a container for my proposal assets named Proposals. Note, you must set your container permissions to public read only. Let's upload the proposal asset files now using the Upload to this container button to upload the white paper. In a little while, an icon for the file appears in my file list, letting me know the file has been safely stored to NeoFS. Now we will repeat the process for the pitch deck. And there it is. Let's go back to the Submit Proposal page. Without any extra effort on our part, the files we uploaded to NeoFS have been attached to our proposal automatically. I'll click on the white paper name now. This opens a new browser tab with the contents of the file coming straight from NeoFS. Back to the Submit Proposal page. Let's submit the proposal now by clicking the Submit Proposal button. Again, this triggers the Neoline wallet. We select the same account. The amounts all look good, so we accept them. That's it. In a few seconds, our brand new proposal will be live in the Virtual World Builders DAO, waiting for someone to sponsor it. Let's go back to the DAO list page, and we select our DAO again. But this time, our DAO does have a proposal, the one we just entered. I click on the proposal description to look at the details. It shows the fields a prospective proposal reviewer or voter would be interested in. And it also shows the assets associated with the proposal that are now safely stored on NeoFS. Let's click on the link to the pitch deck now. Again, the file is delivered straight to the browser from NeoFS.